Hey guys, Ryan G. Wright with DoHardMoney.com coming to you with a Just Ask Ryan question of the day. And today's question is, real estate investing smart, or is investing in real estate smart? Great question. It's a loaded question. I'm happy to answer it. And if you've got a question you'd like to have me answer, I'll put a video together just like this to answer your question. You can type your question in the comments below and I will answer it. I'm standing here in front of some of our most prized possessions. We've got our Inc. 5,000 fastest growing companies. We were 1862 and 2716 of the fastest growing companies in North America. I appreciate all of you being great subscribers. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. So investing in real estate, is it smart? Well, you can do investing in real estate smart, and you can also do it kind of stupid. It just depends on what you're doing. So the first thing is, real estate investing can be done in a smart way and in a stupid way, all depending upon what strategies you're employing. So the first thing that really has to happen is you've got to get some understanding and some knowledge as to the different tactics and strategies in real estate investing, because there's lots of ways to do this. One of the questions is, are you investing for cash flow or are you investing for appreciation? Are you investing for cash? So I can do a transaction to get cash in my pocket. That's going to give me some money, but I'm going to pay a lot of taxes on it, and it's not going to last forever. I'm going to have to go out and do it again because I'll eventually spend it. I can also invest for appreciation, meaning I'm buying something hoping it's going to go up into the future. That's an appreciation play. Or I can be investing for cash flow, where I'm getting paid a little bit every single month. I can also invest for cash flow and for appreciation. So I think the best thing is you need all of it. And so most people have a day job and they're wanting to get their income greater than what they have in their day job. So one of the strategies I think works really well is to get started with doing what's called wholesaling. You can do this with your day job on nights and weekends. Basically, the idea is you find a property, you mark that property up, and you sell it to somebody that's going to do a fix and flip. That's called wholesaling. And there's multiple ways to wholesale that, with simultaneous closing, and also with doing a double closing, or just getting an assignment fee. And the way that you're doing that is finding a good deal. The nice thing about it is all you've got to do in that situation is find a good deal and get it under contract and find a buyer, but you don't have to deal with the rehab, you don't have to deal with the fix-ups, you don't have to deal with qualifying for a loan. You're just finding a good deal and finding a buyer that would be interested in buying that. Typically somebody can pay cash or has hard money. That's a great way to do it. You can make an extra $5,000 to $20,000 per deal, do a couple of those a year, and you've got some extra cash. Now that's taxed at a high income bracket. And then the next thing that you can do from there is start taking that money and turning that into passive income by doing what are called BRRRR deals. And BRRRR deals is where you buy the property. You've already learned how to find some of these. So now you're buying the properties and you're fixing them up. You're using that money that you earned as a down payment if necessary. But the whole idea with a BRRRR deal is coming in with as little cash to close as possible. Meaning, BRRRR means buy, renovate, rent, and refinance. That's the whole concept here. So you're trying to put as little money down as possible. You get a hard money loan for the purchase and as much of the rehab as possible. And then you fix the property up. The property has now increased in value, so you can then do a rate and term refinance. You can get most, if not all, of the loan paid off with the new refinance. You've got a low interest rate and you've got equity in a property. And now you start establishing some cash flow. You may also want to go into a fix and flip. Rather than wholesaling and making a little bit of money, you could do the fix and flip, but now you're managing the rehab and those things. Do that yourself, but you're making a larger chunk of money. And then with that, you're buying some more rental properties to start establishing cash flow. There is no question that real estate is the best way to create wealth. We see that time and time again, and not just for creating wealth, but also saving money in taxes through cost segregation, depreciation. Those types of things help shield from tax gains, which can be enormous as you're getting in, as your income is actually going up. So for a variety of reasons, real estate is one of the very best tools, as long as you know the strategies and you know some of the ways to actually make money in real estate investing. The old adage is, don't wait to buy real estate and wait, because over the last 30 years, 50 years, real estate has always gone up. Now, it's gone like this, but the trajectory has always been a steady climb, which leads to the appreciation. So there's multiple ways where you're making money on real estate, from the appreciation to the write-offs that you're able to do, through the cash flows you're able to have, and the list goes on and on. I love real estate investing. I highly recommend it. I think you can do it smart and you can do it stupid. You've got to make sure you've got the right strategy, you're employing the right strategy, you're using the right tactics, you're getting some good advice. If you are interested in real estate investing and doing it the smart way, check us out over at dohardmoney.com. We have money to help with those fix and flips or help with acquiring those properties on a short-term basis as a hard money, but we also have tools and resources to help you acquire properties. We have knowledge to help you understand how to value properties. We have software to help you know what to do with those, and so much more. Check us out over at dohardmoney.com. If you have liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It tells me I'm doing a great job, and it tells YouTube logarithms the exact same thing. It'll help promote the content and promote this channel, which is all about real estate personal finance, which we'd love to have you on board. Also consider subscribing. Otherwise, a couple of things I'd like to have you check out. I've got another video, what is the average profit on flipping a house? So check that video out, average profit on flipping a house. I'll link that in the description below and put it on the screen here. I also have a blog, the top 5 reasons to invest your money in real estate. I'll put that in the description below with a link so you can click on that as well. Otherwise, appreciate your help in getting these amazing awards. Make it a very profitable day, and bye for now.